Here's a 2016 Maserati Ghibli. You want sporty, sophisticated, and dynamic. You want a Maserati Ghibli, the perfect combination of performance, luxury, and style. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the console, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. A long and glorious heritage can only be that by never living in the past. Maserati continues to push tradition forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.